Alright guys, so here is my finished hat. And now we just have to do the little ending parts. Alright guys, so now we are going to seam up the back of the hat. And I am doing this through these just back loops right here. You can go through both loops, but I decided to do this one through the back loops. Alright, so now I have seamed that up. And here is the ridge hat. And now I am going to do some crocheting around this edge here. So I'm still using my 5.5 millimeter hook. You want to leave a long tail of about 15 inches. And then yarn over on your hook twice and insert it into the side where your brim is on one side, and then it's called a starting double crochet. There's a double crochet right there. And now we're going to do 4 more double crochets down the side here. One, 2. 3, 4. And now I'm going to single crochet all the way along the edge, all the way over here, all the way down to here, till we get to this part of the hat. And then we'll switch back to double crochet. So I finished off with some double crochets, and I left a long tail the same length as the other one. Alright, so now all we have to do is make the ties. So in the last hat I used 2 of these per strand, so 6 total. I think this time I'm going to try to use 9 and make it a little thicker. So cut 9 strands. So here are all my strands, and now I'm going to secure them here and weave in this part of the end.